In this video, we are going to see how we can enable the microphone in Microsoft Edge. So what by default should happen is whenever you are trying to use your microphone and you just click on the voice or microphone to record it, it should automatically prompt you with this message. Use your microphones. If you want to allow it, you will click on allow. And I've clicked on the microphone. It asks me to allow it and I'll just allow this. And now I should be able to record my voice. And that happens only once. After that, you should be able to record on Microsoft Edge easily. But if you want to manually enable or disable it due to whatever reason, or you don't see this option automatically sent to you, what you can do is just click on these three dots on the top right hand corner and click on the settings right at the bottom. And once you're in here, just click on the privacy, search and services and click on the site permissions. Search for all permissions here. Here it shows microphone. You will open this up, select the relevant microphone and make sure that it is set to ask before accessing. Otherwise it will not ask you once you click on the microphone to talk. And also if you want to disallow any particular website that you have already given access to, you can disallow or delete it from here. And you can add new sites by individually allowing on that particular website. So that's how it can be enabled. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.